Hello everyone and welcome to another Xperience Ag do-it-yourself video. In this video we're going to go over how to tighten and adjust your clean grain elevator chain.
First things you want to do is drop your clean grain elevator open. Look at the chain to see if there is slop or play. You can see in this illustration there's a lot of play. We'll now take time to adjust this. The reason you adjust this is it affects the vibration on the flow sensor at the top of the clean grain elevator. If you do not adjust this, there's a lot of slop and play, and you do not maintain accurate yield calibrations. As you can see, we'll drop the clean grain elevator chain and retighten the adjuster, and you will now see the tension that is proper for a elevator chain.
Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more do-it-yourself training videos.